Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and this is part 2 of the actual body swap. If you didn't catch part 1, make sure to go back and check it out. And if you don't remember, we swapped this body off to put a nicer body onto Clyde's original chassis. Before we get started, I just want to ask you guys to please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, so that we can keep creating Clyde 2.0 content.
Okay. We're on the bucket.
Alright, wide out. Come down.
Oh, careful, you want those. Okay. Go ahead, go back in.
So you think those blocks are gonna hold?
That?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why would they not? Let's go.
I think that you'll have enough pressure on them to hold them down. Keep an eye on
Watch the blocks.
Yeah, keep an eye on the blocks.
Did they move?
A little more if you got it. Up.
Not enough? Alright, watch out, coming down.
I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm actually going to be posting a picture of Clyde with the new body on Instagram today. So go make sure you go follow and go check out at Trackickoffroad on Instagram, where you can get the inside scoop before it hits YouTube. Obviously, there will be a part 3, and that'll be the final part of the body swap. Right now, I'm continuing on the dash swap, which I'm really not filming, but I actually do have a video planned for it because I want to talk about it. It's been really complicated, and I want to do some explaining because there's just not any good information out on the internet, and it's a challenge. And I've heard a lot of misinformation too, so I want to kind of get that out there to help people that either are doing the same thing or have to do the same thing, whatever the case might be. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day.